Hey, Tyler with Stud Welding Products. Today we're going to be talking about 5 tips for aluminum CD stud welding. Tip number 1, clean your material. We're going to use an acetone with a rag, and the goal is to get rid of any smudge marks, any oils, or any oxidations. One thing to note, do not use a flapper disc, Scotch-Brite, grinding pads, any of that, as it will leave a very fine dust in the weld zone. Tip number 2, always use 2 grounds. You want a ground on either side of a part to help prevent arc flow as well as decrease resistance, which will increase the power that we're getting. Tip number 3, make sure your stud welder is set to the correct voltage. Always refer to the manual for proper voltage settings. One thing to note, it's based off of the diameter of the stud, not material thickness. In this particular case, we're going to shoot a number 10 diameter stud with the Stud Pro 2500. We select the number 10 preset and the machine will set it automatically. Tip number 4, stick out. On contact systems, we want about 3/16 of an inch of stud stick out past the end of our foot piece. Tip number 5, spring pressure. In this particular unit, we're going to adjust the spring pressure by rotating the knob clockwise. Some models, you may have to replace the spring in the back. Bonus tip, we do not recommend center punching. We often see people center punching to help with locating. The CD projection is a very specific size, and center punching changes the weld settings, causing inconsistent results. Instead, we recommend using a template tube adapter. We have several different sizes and styles to fit whatever gun you are using. A few of them seen here. We also have a video that shows you a little bit more about our template tube adapters. Hopefully some of these tips helped you out. If you're still having some issues, feel free to give us a call at 800-252-1919 or feel free to send us an email at info@studweldprod.com.